Hello and welcome to our video blogs. My name is Duke Kim Ha. I'm the broker owner of HiPacific. The move out process is the worst. It's the time that we have the most problems with a tenant. And a lot of times the owners want to get involved at this point. They want to show up. If they're on island, we say no. It's already confrontational enough. We don't need the owner there telling us what we can and cannot do with their house. Although we do represent them in the long run, the time of move out is the point where we have the most problems in our relationship with the tenant because it involves a security deposit. The security deposit belongs to the tenant until we release it back to them with repairs or no repairs. Very, very few times in our relationship do we have a tenant that has a perfect move out. It does happen. Let me tell you, we are looking for tenants that want to give us a perfect move out. It is really tough. Okay? So if you have questions about the move out, we do send out a pre-move out checklist. We do a pre-move out inspection for the tenant if they want that. But let me tell you, that time of the relationship is as strained as it will get. If you have any questions about move outs, you can certainly call me. You can call us at 445-9223, or you can see us on the internet at HiPacificPM.com. Okay? Talk to you later about move outs. Bye.